Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I received my Die Hard club kit in the mail from the Stamps of Life, and I just wanted to share what this month's box is. And so for every Die Hard Club member, you get the die and the stamp set. You are able to just get the stamp set every month if you choose to order that level. However, I get all 3 club sets, and so I am a gold member. This club set, and then they also have a card making club set that they send out in the middle of the month. And how cute is this polar bear? So last year they had penguins, and I think the penguins and this polar bear would work together well on some cards. So it just says warm wishes and Christmas kisses. Sorry if there's a glare. Merry Christmas, let's chill, and a gift for you. Has the and sign, the present, this scarf that fits around this polar bear. And then the dies, you have the polar bear itself, the shadow, the present and its shadow, and the scarf and its shadow. So there's a good chance that in the card kit club, we will be receiving a paper pad that I am assuming will have printed polar bears that we could cut out, or presents, something to that effect. But you'll have to stay tuned and see. I will post that video once I get that in the mail. And then with every card kit, club kit, you get an inspirational card. And these stamps are called Polarbear2stamps. So yeah. If you guys have any questions about the club, you can leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer what I can. Otherwise, you know, the stampsoflife.com is where you can join if you're interested. But yes, until my next video, shakas, don't forget to like and subscribe.